Erie Insurance price increase, why your premium may go up. Erie Insurance, like other providers, may increase insurance rates due to various factors such as inflation, claims history, and changes in risk assessment. If you've noticed a price increase, understanding the reasons behind it can help you explore ways to lower your premium. 1. Common reasons for Erie Insurance. Price increases, rising repair and replacement costs. The cost of vehicle repairs, parts, and labor has increased due to inflation and supply chain disruptions. This leads to higher claims payouts, which insurers offset by raising premiums. Increased claim frequency and severity. If Erie has seen a rise in claims in your area, whether due to accidents, natural disasters, or theft, insurance rates may be adjusted to reflect the increased risk. Your claims or driving history. A recent accident, traffic violation, or filed claim can result in higher premiums. Even if you weren't at fault, a history of claims can impact your renewal rate. Changes in credit score, where applicable. In some states, insurers use credit-based insurance scores to determine rates. A drop in your credit score could lead to a higher premium. Statewide or regional rate adjustments. Erie adjusts rates periodically based on statewide regulations, industry trends, and overall risk assessments. Even if you haven't had any claims, your rates may increase due to broader changes in the insurance market. 2. How to lower your Erie Insurance premium. Step 1. Review your coverage. Check if you have optional coverages that you no longer need. Adjusting your deductibles or reducing unnecessary add-ons can help lower costs. Step 2. Ask about discounts. Erie offers discounts for bundling auto and home insurance, safe driving, paying in full, and having safety features on your vehicle. Ask your agent if you qualify for additional savings. Step 3. Improve your driving record. If your premium increased due to a ticket or accident, maintaining a clean driving record over time can help lower your rates. Step 4. Check your credit score. If your state allows credit-based insurance rates, improving your credit score could help reduce your premium at renewal. Step 5. Compare rates with other providers. If your rate increase is significant, you may want to compare quotes from other insurers to see if you're paying too much. To see if you're paying too much for insurance, click on the link in the description below.